Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set gesture navigation bar on One UI operating system. Let's begin. First, you want to go to Settings, scroll just a bit until you find the display option. Here, you scroll until you find navigation bar. Click it, and here you can turn on the swipe gestures. As you can see, the buttons here disappeared, and now we have more options. In order to turn back, we simply swipe on the edges of our screen. If you want to minimize the whole settings tab, we simply hold here and press up. Or we can hold here, press up, and now we have all our tabs. And you can simply close them all. If you want to disable it, you simply go once again into Display, Navigation bar, and set back your buttons. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.